In question 3, we have a diagram that shows graphs with equations y equals to f of x and y equals to g of x. We have to describe fully a sequence of two transformations that will transform f of x to g of x. Now, if we look at f of x, we can see that its highest point is at 3 and its lowest point is at -3, which makes a difference of 6 in the y direction. Looking at g of x, the highest point is at 6 and the lowest point at -6. So the difference between the 2 points is 12. So now we can see that in the first step, it will be a stretch in the y direction, and as a final, which was g of x was 12 in length and f of x was 6, so the stretch factor will be 2. Now to look at the other transformation, as we can see, it has moved towards the left. So we can say that it moved 1, 2, 3. So we can take any of the points given. If I take this point, it has ended up over here. So it has moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units backwards in the x direction. So we can say it is a translation and the vector will be 6. Now, a common mistake that students make is they also add the movement in the y direction, which is 1, 2, 3, and they give their answer as 6 and 3, which will be wrong. As this 3 was because of the stretch, so the correct answer would be using 6 and 0. So if we had just translated this f of x 6 and 0 in the x direction and then stretched it with a scale factor of 2 in the y direction, it would have been the same graph, which is g of x. So we can write this answer stretch in the y direction of scale factor 2 and then a translation of 6 and 0. In either order, it would have been correct.